It's that sinking feeling. Not only have you just lost a game of chess, but your opponent tells you that you missed checkmate. By doing some checkmate puzzles, you will train your mind to spot opportunities to win games of chess. In this video, there are 4 puzzles to solve. When each new position appears, pause the video and see if you can work out the answer. The first thing to do is to look at the king you are trying to trap. Find out which squares it can move to. Then, for mate in 1 puzzles, have a look at your pieces and work out how you can give check. One of the checks will actually be checkmate. Let's get cracking with these puzzles. White to play and mate in 1. First job, find the black king. Here it is. And now let's work out where it can move. Well, that's easy. It's completely blocked by friendly pieces. Okay then, let's look for pieces that can attack the black king. The pawns are all too far away. The rook and queen are nowhere useful. The bishop is on the right diagonal, but there are too many pieces in the way. So it's down to the knight and rook. The rook can give check by taking the black bishop, and the knight can give check by moving to b6 or c7. Which one of these 3 choices is checkmate? b8 is defended by the king. c7 is defended by the bishop and rook, and b6 is defended by the rook and the pawn. We have run out of options. We must be missing something. Can the black bishop on b8 move? No. If it moves, the black king would be under attack from the rook. Not allowed. And imagine the knight moves here. Can the black rook take it? Well, if the knight moves, then the bishop pins the rook to the king. So the rook wouldn't be able to take the knight. Both the black bishop and the black rook are pinned. Neither of them can take the knight. So it's checkmate. That was quite hard. Well done if you worked that one out. Let's hope this one is a bit easier. Black to play and mate in 1. Where can the white king move? OK, are any of these squares safe? The black bishop attacks this diagonal, and the queen is being helpful too. So the white king doesn't have much freedom. Can we use the queen to give checkmate? With the help of that bishop maybe? Remember, a good way to attack is to move your queen next to the enemy king, making sure it is defended by another of your pieces. Can we move our queen next to the white king, defended by our bishop? There are 2 choices, but which one is best? The white queen defends c3, so let's try b2. The white king cannot escape, partly because it is blocked by some friendly pieces. White to move and mate in 1. Let's look at the black king. Only 1 square to think about, but it's attacked by the white knight. The black king is going nowhere. Right, let's look for white pieces that can give check. There is only 1 white piece that can give check. Can you spot it? The bishop on c4 can give check by taking the pawn on f7. The white knight attacks f7 too. So the black king can't take the bishop. A quick look around the board and nothing else can take the bishop, so it's checkmate. Excellent. The board is nearly empty. That should make things easier. Black to play and mate in 1. The black pawn on f3 keeps the white king stuck on the first rank. Can we give check along this rank? All we have is this rook on d8. Let's go for it. As we've seen, the black pawn stops the white king escaping, and it also stops the white queen from taking the black rook.